A little Appalachian bluegrass mood today. Well, you ought to see my Cindy. She lives way down south, and she's so sweet. The honeybees that swarm around her mouth. Get along home, Cindy, Cindy. Get along home, Cindy, Cindy. Get along home, Cindy, Cindy. I'll marry you someday. I wish I was an apple hanging on a tree. Every time my Cindy passed, she'd take a bite of me. Get along home, Cindy, Cindy. Get along home. Get along home, Cindy, Cindy. I'll marry you someday. I'm in the key of D, and that first riff is I'm just sliding up to that ninth fret. That's playing the 9. I'm on the 4th string. Then the open D. To the A chord, you can play down here if you'd rather. To G. D and A and back to D. Hell, I wish I was an eagle, as fine as I could sew. I'd sew that gal to my coattail, and down the road we'd go. Get along home, Cindy, Cindy. Get along home, Cindy, Cindy. Get along home, Cindy, Cindy. I'll marry you someday. Yes, sir. Appalachian bluegrass music, yeah. Boy, it's Cindy in the springtime, Cindy in the fall. If I can't have my Cindy at all, I won't have no gal at all. Get along home, Cindy. Let's get along home. Just doing some pull-offs. So I'm pulling off on there's the second riff. Pulling off on the 4th string 2nd fret. Going to the 2nd fret 5th string to the G, which is the B note in the G chord. Just a lot of sliding on that 4th string. Nine, 7, 9 to 7, and then open 4th string, which is the D note. That's the A note. Slide right back down to that, A7 chord. G. All right, Guitar Bobby here. Thanks for watching. Fun song. I think it's on my song list for my next show. Peace. Always. Amen.